Monica knows there's never a good time for a stay in hospital, but if it does happen, she wants just one thing: to feel safe and well cared for. So she asks herself, how do I want to be insured if I need to go to hospital? She's impressed by the Sanitas Hospital Liberty supplementary insurance plans. But which plan is right for her? With Hospital Standard Liberty, she can choose the Sanitas partner hospital where she would like to be treated. When she is admitted to hospital, she has the option to upgrade from the general ward to the semi-private or private ward. With Hospital Extra Liberty, Monica enjoys greater privacy on the semi-private ward and has a free choice of doctors. With Hospital Top Liberty, she also benefits from the comfort of a single room on the private ward, in Switzerland and worldwide. She also enjoys quick access to specialists, a personal contact, and comprehensive cost coverage. A comprehensive, carefree package designed to meet the highest standards. All Hospital Liberty plans also offer good coverage in case of emergencies abroad, including medical assistance and repatriation to Switzerland. And of course, recovery after a procedure is also taken care of. Sanitas contributes to the costs of home help, nursing care at home, and convalescent spa treatments. Monica realizes that choosing hospital insurance isn't all about what's better or worse. It's about what suits her and her current circumstances. Monica has made her choice. What about you? Do you already know which Hospital Liberty plan is right for you? Find all the information you need on our website